The biggest breakthroughs in science, tech are not going to be AI. They're going to be from water. You see what's happening to that slow-mo? You see the light behind that water droplet? Water reveals the patterns of light and frequency. A frequency through water can show you all the details of that frequency. That's a cymatic pattern. For example, this shape creates the vector equilibrium, one of the most stable shapes in the universe. Bees love the thing. Everything in nature uses vibration in some way. That's just a bowl of water in the woods reflecting the sounds of nature. That's just a bucket of water reflecting the sounds of construction. The problem is, most of us learn the behavior of waves in 2D when it's actually a 3D phenomenon. Sound looks more like that traveling through the air. The cymatic is a frozen cross-section of that bubble through time. What's even crazier is we can calculate the pattern that the sound is going to make. The biggest sine wave up there is the fundamental. All of the smaller waves are harmonics that add to the tone of that fundamental sound. If you combine all of them, you get the sound your ears perceive. In this case, all of those are harmonics, which means they sound good with the fundamental, so it creates a square wave. Now imagine that circle as a dish of water on a speaker. The pattern it's drawing happens in a fraction of a second to produce the cymatic image that we see. All of it is geometry and math. Using a cymoscope, we can find the resonance of anything. This technology was pioneered by John Stuart Reid. Anthony Holland is taking this technology even further by trying to shatter cancer cells using just sound. Cymatics has the potential to link all disciplines. This is the E8 lattice. It's a mathematical theory attempting to explain everything. That is an ancient Hindu temple. This is where we were, and it's where we're going. And it's all based on shapes and sound, something you learn as a child. If you absolutely love this, that's an actual page out of my new book. And as you can see, it's looking great. I know I've said it's about to come out for a while. I'm literally just waiting on some image permissions. Until then though, I will keep the sale up for my first book, Codex Esoterica. It's a high-level overview of everything I talk about on my pages here. If you haven't checked it out yet, go see if it's for you. There's a link right in my bio that will take you to everything I've ever created, and it's all on sale right now. Or always on baseforge.us. The biggest